My dear students, get ready for today's class. We are doing block 4 beautiful birds, and in the last class we have learned about different kinds of birds nests. I hope you recall it. Good. Now tell me, how do your parents take care of you? Yes, our parents do everything to make us live comfortably. They give us food to eat, they give a house to live, they give us clothes to wear, and they protect us. Similarly, birds also take care of their babies. In today's class, we will find out how birds take care of their babies. Clear? Now students, please open your worksheet as for. Observe the pictures given in question number 1 and discuss what the birds are doing in the picture. So, picture number 1, picture number 2, 3 and 4. So, you have to look at the pictures and think what are the birds doing. Here are some questions based on that picture. Question number 1 is, what are the birds doing in the pictures? Question number 2 is, how do birds take care of their babies? And question number 3 is, how is it different from other animals? Students, please pause the video and write down your answers. I hope you have done. Let's discuss the answers. Answer number 1 is, the picture show ways in which birds take care of their young ones. तो पिक्चर्स क्या शो कर रहे हैं कि जो बर्ड्स हैं वो अपने बेबीज़ की टेक केयर कैसे कर रहे हैं. In picture first, the hen sitting on the eggs to keep them warm. When the eggs get the warmth, they hatch and the baby birds come out of the eggs. तो जैसे ही वो जो एग्स गर्म हो जाते हैं तो अंडा टूट जाता है और उसमें से बेबी बर्ड्स बाहर आते हैं. क्लियर? In picture second, a bird is weaving a nest to lay eggs and keep her young ones in it. You can see in the picture second, a bird is weaving a nest. Clear? In picture third, a bird is feeding its baby with food. तो जो पिक्चर 3 है उसमें बर्ड अपने बेबी को फूड फीड करवा रहा है. क्लियर? In the last one, a bird is pushing her baby so that it learns to fly. As you can see in this picture, एक बर्ड है वो अपने बेबी को पुश कर रही है ताकि वो उड़ना सीख सके. क्लियर? आंसर नंबर 2 is, birds build a nest, then they lay and hatch their eggs. They get food and feed it to their babies. They take care of them and protect them from enemies. They teach the bird to fly and search for their own food. तो ये सारी चीज़ें हैं जो बर्ड अपने बेबी के लिए करता है और इसी तरह से वो अपने बेबी की टेक केयर करता है. क्लियर? आंसर नंबर 3 इज़, birds need to hatch eggs to have babies, but other animals do not need to. Birds build a nest whenever they lay eggs, but other animals do not build their shelters. Clear? I hope answers are clear to you all. Good. Now tell me, how would a duck take care of its babies? Does it keep them on land or in water? Let's see. Let's discuss some important facts about this lesson. A duck lays its eggs in a nest on the ground. Then the duck takes its ducklings to the water. तो जो डक के छोटे छोटे बेबी होते हैं उनको क्या बोलते हैं? डकलिंग्स. The mother ducks do not teach their ducklings to swim or eat food in water. The ducklings learn by themselves. तो जो डक होती है वो अपने बच्चों को सिखाती नहीं है, वो खुद से ही सीख जाते हैं. But the mother ducks keep an eye on them to protect from enemies. Penguins also lay eggs on the ground. They feed their babies and provide them warmth. Clear? I hope you understand that. Now we will read the lesson. Name of our lesson is Birds Take Care of Their Young Ones. And this is the last lesson of this block. Let's start reading. Birds build nests to lay their eggs. They sit on the eggs to keep them warm. When the babies come out, they feed their babies. They teach them how to fly and look for food. They take care of the babies and protect them from enemies. As you can see in this picture, a bird is feeding its baby. So ऐसे ही जो हैं birds अपने babies की care करते हैं. Clear? I hope lesson is clear to you all. Now we will discuss the keywords. First one is lay egg, अंडे देना, worm, enemies, hatch यानी अंडे का टूटना, feed खिलाना. So these are your keywords and you have to write these keywords in your notebook. Clear? Now open your worksheet as for taking care of babies. Look at question number 1. Look at the pictures and write what are the birds are doing. So you have to look at the pictures and write that what are the birds doing. Clear? Question number 2 is, if you had to take care of a chick, what would you do? अगर आपके पास एक चिक है, यानी कि आपके पास एक हैन का बेबी है, तो आप उसकी केयर कैसे करोगे? क्या करोगे आप उसके लिए? So you have to think and write down your answers. Question number 3 is, how do penguins take care of their babies? तो आपको बताना है कि पेंगुइन्स अपने बेबी की टेक केयर कैसे करते हैं, अपने बेबी की केयर कैसे करते हैं. क्लियर? You have to do question number 7 and 8. Soha found a little bird on her balcony. How should she take care of it? तो सोहा जो है उसको अपने बालकनी में एक बर्ड मिला है, तो उसको उसकी केयर कैसे करनी चाहिए. क्लियर? डिस्क्राइब हाउ अ स्पैरो इज़ डिफरेंट फ्रॉम अ डॉग. आपको बताना है कि एक स्पैरो वो डॉग से कैसे डिफरेंट है. सो दीज टू आर योर होमवर्क. प्रैक्टिस क्वेश्चन 7 and 8. Thank you students for watching this video.